The challenges I see with legacy copper networks is a lot of moving parts, a lot of IP addresses, a lot of software loads to maintain, and as bandwidth needs increase, it's rip and replace.
The challenge with those legacy networks is that magical number of 100-meter limitation, right? The standard says that it has to be no more than 100 meters, but why is that? It just doesn't make any sense to have that silly limitation. So with optical LAN, we don't have that anymore, right? We can go 20 kilometers or even more if we need to and not worry about that comparison.
So the challenges that I see with legacy systems, especially in the federal space, is that those systems are a whole lot more expensive. They have a large cyber threat vector. They require too many people to operate, and their patch requirements are huge. And if I take all of those answers in comparison to Telab's solution, Telab's is light years ahead of them.
The big issues with legacy structured cabling in my mind is scale, and that's probably the single biggest issue to me is just long-term reliability, sustainability, and scale. There's more, but.
Networks today are long. We have long distances to cover. We have higher speeds to cover. We have different protocols to cover. And the copper network, as much as I can do those things, it takes a lot more equipment, a lot more cable. It's expensive. It's harder to do.
Optical LAN in general provides a solution to a problem and a challenge that a lot of entities are facing. Many places are at capacity and they have systems they want to install, such as camera systems, but they don't know how to get it done. They don't have enough ports, they don't have the capacity to do so. So Optical LAN provides a solution to that problem by giving them the ability to run one single piece of fiber and then be able to deploy those camera networks with an ONT that can be mounted above ceiling on a wall or anywhere near those devices versus the traditional network where you have to have a switch and then power to Ethernet cables being ran directly to those devices. So it's a huge opportunity and there's a big market for it right now.